In this module, we'll explore how regression modeling can be used to make predictions based on data. Today, Jasmine, Ryan, Lena, and Carlos will discuss building and evaluating regression models to predict house prices using the pre-processed data they've been working on. Let's listen in as they dive into linear regression techniques and how they can be applied to their housing dataset. Jasmine, a data scientist, leads the team's technical efforts in building predictive models.
Now that we have cleaned and pre-processed our data, it's time to start building some regression models.
Ryan, the business analyst, bridges the gap between data insights and business strategy.
What exactly is a regression model? How does it help us predict house prices?
A regression model tries to find a mathematical relationship between the features of a house, like square footage, number of bedrooms, etc., and its price. It allows us to estimate the price of a new house based on its features.
Lena, a Python programmer, writes the code that implements the models.
So, we'll use the training data to teach the model this relationship, and then it can make predictions on new houses it hasn't seen before?
Exactly. We'll start with a simple linear regression model to see how a single feature, like square footage, relates to price. Then we can move on to multiple linear regression to consider the combined effect of multiple features.
Carlos, the project manager, ensures the project stays on schedule and meets its goals.
And what if we have a lot of features or some of them are not useful at all? Won't that cause problems for our models?
That's where penalized regression techniques like Lasso and Ridge regression come in. They help prevent overfitting and handle situations with many predictors or correlated features. I will discuss implementing them with Lena as well.
Great. How will we know if our models are any good?
We'll use evaluation metrics like R-squared and mean absolute error to assess their performance. These metrics tell us how well the model's predictions match the actual house prices.
Excellent. I'm eager to see how this model can help our company make better house purchasing decisions.
In this scenario, the team explored key concepts in regression modeling, including how to use linear regression to make predictions, the value of penalized regression techniques like Lasso and Ridge, and how to evaluate model performance. Now consider the following questions to deepen your understanding of these concepts. 1. Linear regression basics. Jasmine mentioned that linear regression models help find a relationship between features and the target variable, such as house price. How does simple linear regression differ from multiple linear regression? 2. Penalized regression techniques. Jasmine introduced Lasso and Ridge regression as methods to address potential issues in the model. What problems do these techniques solve, and how do they improve the performance of a regression model? 3. Evaluation metrics. The team discussed evaluation metrics like R-squared and mean absolute error, MAE. Explain how each of these metrics is used to evaluate the effectiveness of a regression model, and which one you think provides more meaningful insights in this scenario. 4. Feature selection and overfitting. Carlos expressed concern about having too many features in the model. How does having too many or irrelevant features lead to overfitting, and how can penalized regression techniques help mitigate this?